The next topic we'll be covering is Wiki for documentation. Wiki offers a collaborative space for team members to compile and share crucial details about a DevOps project. Here's a simple guide to leveraging wikis for effective project documentation. Start with an overview page. Begin by setting up an overview page. This should introduce the project, its goals, and the team working on it. Mention the technologies, tools, and methods your project employs, keeping it broad but informative. Detail project requirements. Dedicate pages to outline the project's requirements. Break down what the project needs to do and how it should perform, using clear and achievable language. Add user stories, what needs to be true for the project to be considered complete, and any other elements that rely on each other. Architecture and design documentation. Use the wiki to detail the project's structure and design. Make a separate page for each part, whether it's a component, a larger section, or a service. To help visualize how these parts interact, include diagrams like UML or system architecture sketches. Encourage team input. Get your team involved in the documentation process. Allowing everyone to edit and update wiki pages not only promotes teamwork but also helps keep the information current. Make sure to use the wiki's version tracking to monitor changes and roll back if needed. So let's take a quick look at where this is in Azure DevOps. So at the overview section, we'll need to click on Wiki. And we already created an example wiki with proper documentation. So this is what it'll pretty much look like using Markdown. We can click on the Edit button on the top right. This will allow you to edit the wiki to your fitting. You can also create more than one wiki if you want. So we can name it like Example Wiki 2. So that's an overview and guide to using Wiki for documentation.